So friends, today we are going to walk you through the process of creating an ad manager account within our Meta Business Suite, step by step, so you can follow along easily. Since we are providing instruction on the latest Meta ad platform, this will teach you about Facebook and Instagram ads. So this is the base. First, we taught you how to create a Meta Business Suite account. We also explained the settings of that. Now, in that same, there is an important setting, ad manager. So that account also has to be created. You will get it by default. So here, as you can see on the screen, I am in my Meta Business Suite account. When we click on the option of all tools here, then in the advertising option, in the settings, you will find the ad manager. And when I click on ad manager here, okay. So here you can observe that I will create my first account, right? I will create a new account to create ads. So here, as I clicked on get started. Now, under the name Marketing Fundasglobal Digital Agency, I have created both a page and an account within the Meta Business Suite. So I will click here. Okay, it shows this is my business that wants to run ads. Here I can select my industry, which industry I belong to in particular. I am trying to find and select my industry from the options here. So now I can select professional services or education as well, because we provide digital marketing services. And we also provide education and teach digital marketing and artificial intelligence in multiple countries. Okay friends, for now I will click on professional services here from the list. The time here is accurate because I am located in India. So our time zone is also fine according to this. If you need to edit this, you can edit it easily. And as I click on this create option, as you can notice, clicking on create will initiate the process further here, right? So it takes a little time here in the creation. So friends, it's quite simple. You just need to watch all the videos following each step and the instructions. If you haven't seen the previous videos in this course, please watch them so that you don't miss anything, because everything is connected, right? Everything is interlinked. Then you will be able to learn Facebook properly. Okay. And you will become an expert in this because we teach from scratch and will teach you till the advanced level. This is how we work for clients in digital marketing agencies. And in the same way, we will teach you how to create campaigns and also share strategies at that level. So there are some conditions after the account is created. So here I accept these conditions. And it's done. So friends, basically we are now in our ads manager account. Okay. Here we are embarking on the ad creation phase, and in the upcoming videos we will provide detailed instruction on how to create every type of ad practically, ensuring you gain a thorough understanding of the process. So subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss a single thing in any video. Thank you.